Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my dear students and welcome back to another exciting video of maths. This is me Madiha Saqib from Multan Public School and College for Boys and Girls. Today's our topic counting in words 11 and shape heart. Now let's learn the shape of heart. Heart. Let's sing a song about a heart. I am a heart. I am a heart. I am so curvy and so smart. I am so curvy and so smart. I can see with my eyes. I can taste with my tongue. I can hear with my ear. I can touch with my hands. I can smell with my nose. But, yes, I can feel with my heart. I can feel with my heart. Yes, I am heart. I'm a heart. I'm so curvy and so smart. I'm a heart. I'm a heart. I'm so curvy and so smart. My color is red. I'm a heart, I'm a heart. I'm a heart, I'm a heart. I'm symbol of love that you do with your father, that you do with your mother, that you do with your sister, that you do with your brother, that you do with your friends. Yes, I'm a heart, I'm a heart. I'm so curvy and so smart. Dear students, heart shape is curvy shape. Now, what's the spelling of heart? Yes, I'm telling you and you repeat with me. Okay? H E A R T. Heart. Wow, here is so many pictures with different shapes. What's this? Lollipop. What's this? Star. What's this? Clock. What's this? Watermelon. What's this? Ring. Now my lovely students, find and circle the heart shape. Let's learn counting in words 11. Now, what's the spelling of 11? Read with me. E L E V E N. 11. Now your turn. Yes. Good. My dear students, now one more time you repeat the spelling of 11 with me. Are you ready? Hope yes. Now start. E L E V E N. 11. Let's write the missing letters. What comes after? Let us solve with this example. we have E, L, E. Now, which three letters comes after E, L, E? Yes, yes. Come on, hurry up, I'm waiting. Excellent. Letter V, E, N. 11. Dear students, do you know we can make heart-shaped notebook? Can you see mini heart-shaped notebook in this picture? So students, are you ready to make it? My lovely students, here is our pattern which you follow to reinforce the counting in words 11 and shape heart. Now students, complete these pages on your notebook. Dear students, today we have learned that counting in words 11 and shape heart. Hope you all enjoyed this video. With the help of this video, you complete your home task. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.